Welcome back, viewers. From today, we are going to start checking out a new Linux distribution called PCLinuxOS. So it is not the newer one coming up. It is very old. I think it must be around 15 years old at least. When I was in college, at that time also PC Linux was there. It had just started the regular release of distros every year. So now let us start. This is the web page of PC Linux OS. So you got this home page about PC Linux OS, get PC Linux OS, support community international, connect us, forum, merchandise, and help us out. So let us check about PC Linux OS. So it is available as live CD, DVD, and USB ISO image. PC Linux OS has a script called My Live CD, which allows the user to take a snapshot of their current hard drive installation and compress it into an ISO, CD, DVD, and USB. This allows easy backup of user data and also makes it easy to create your own custom live CD, DVD, USB. PC Linux OS has additional support for over 85 languages through the simple add local interface. PC Linux OS is safe and secure. You never have to worry about viruses, adware, malware, or trojans infecting your computer with PC Linux OS. PC Linux distribution was found in the year October 24, 2003. So in 2003, I was probably in my second year of college. So I was doing Bachelor of Computer Engineering at that time. I was in second or third year of education. The founder of PC Linux OS is Bill Reynolds, aka Techstar, and headquarters of PC Linux OS are located in Houston, Texas, USA. What can I do with PC Linux OS? So it has got internet tools. You can edit photos, manage photos, then you can manipulate the photos professionally. There are music and video tools just like in any other Linux distro. It has got a full multimedia support. You can do productivity work like office work in PC Linux OS. It is completely free. You can download it from the download section. What is the minimum requirement of machine to run PC Linux OS? So the minimum RAM is 512 MB. 2 GB or more is recommended. Hard disk 12 GB should be minimum, but 20 plus GB is recommended for a full setup. And any processor, Intel, AMD, or via 64-bit processor will work. 8664 will work. Video card support is there for NVIDIA, ATI, Intel, SYS, Matrox, and VIA. 3D desktop support requires a 3D instruction set compatible card. Any Sound Blaster AC97 or HDA compatible card will work. Creative Labs X5 cards are not currently supported. CD DVD writer drives required for burn disk are supported. USB boot capacity required for bootable flash drive images is supported. SATA IDE, SCSI, SAS, most controllers are supported in the non-read mode. Online support for the users is available through friendly support forum. PC Linux OS 2013 was built from the ground up using packages in our repository. So it is an independent Linux distro. It does not depend on any other Linux distro for the repos or for any system configuration. The packages in our software repository may be original creations, but they may also contain repacked and modified packages from Fedora, OpenSUSE, Magia, and Mandriva released under GPL. So it is using some of the packages from this Linux distributions. It may also contain patches and bug fixes from any other Linux open source distribution. The PC Linux OS team would like to thank these distributions who may have indirectly contributed to the PC Linux OS distribution. So now we will check out the community page and support, because that is important for an individual user. So this is a community page, and here you can access the PC Linux OS magazine. So it is full of knowledge about the PC Linux OS itself and any other Linux or any computer related information or knowledge is found here. It is released on monthly basis, so you can take full advantage of this, and you can click here and you can just download the magazine. So it is released every month, so you can see the September release is here, then there is August release. So I think the October release, yes, October release is also there, so you can go through it. Then here you can check out the special editions, HTML editions of the uh, PC Linux OS. So you can download it as a PDF or any special edition. Yeah, HTML edition is also available. Now I will close this. Now let us go over to the international page. So there is a special web page for the Brazilian, I think DK means Denmark, yes, and TR means Italy. So these pages are available in their native language. So you can, if you are from any of these countries or speaking these languages spoken in Brazil, Denmark, and Italy, so you can use this web page. This is the contact page. So if you want to contact the PC Linux OS team, you can contact it here. Now let us go and check out the actual PC Linux OS. So click on this page, get PC Linux OS. So PC Linux OS is available with various desktop interfaces depending on your needs. So the KDE Desktop, Mate and XFCE are the flagship. So you can download them as a ISO, you can download them as a torrent also. And there are some community releases also. So I have already opened this KDE Desktop link. So here you can see KDE Desktop is available in two versions. There is a mini version that is called Darkstar. It is sized around 1.2 gigs. Then there is a normal KDE version that is sized around 3 gigs. So this should be a full KDE Desktop installation, because the standard KDE Desktop installation, I think it hovers around 1.8 to 2.4 GB, but this is 3 GB. So this is a full KDE Desktop. So you see all the KDE applications will be installed. The ISO images are being provided, so new installations will not require any large update to get updated to the current level. So that is good. And following applications, yes, here it is confirming what I was telling. This is a full version ISO. So this normal KDE version is a full ISO version with standard complement of KDE applications plus LibreOffice. So everything is there. All the KDE applications are there, like Timeshift, Darktable, Krita, Megasync, Anydesk, Kodi, Kazam, Caliber, then Scrooge, Spotify. So these all applications are there in addition to the full suite of KDE applications and tools. Plus you have got Firefox, Thunderbird, Strawberry Music Player, and the VLC music player. So you have got multiple music players. So you can go through this. Here also KDE hardware requirements are given. I will not go in detail because then the video will become very long. I will not check this Mate and except you can go do it for yourself. I will just show you how to navigate this PC Linux OS web pages. Now let us check out the community releases. So you can find it out here. The link is given here. So community releases are PC Linux ISOs created by the community for the community and available in different default desktops. Community release ISOs are designated with the prefix community. So you can find the recent releases here. So here you can find community releases ISOs with LSQT, OpenBox Mini, TD Mini, and the Trinity Big Daddy desktop. So this is the Ubuntu Trinity desktop that is available. So you can click on this and download along with the checksum. and then you can install on your system. And this is the link to the torrents. So the torrents are available on the link linuxtracker.org. So here you can see the Debian images at the top, but just go downwards, or you can search in the torrents. You can search by the Linux distribution name, that is PCLinuxOS. Then there are some categories also. So you can search, and the status should be active only. Otherwise, the archival or the old distribution ISOs will also be shown. So don't do that. You go only with the active ones, that are the current ones. So here you can see the Darkstar edition is there, the standard edition, standard or the mini edition, sorry, and this is the standard edition. Sorry, I'm totally wrong. Darkstar is the mini edition, but here the size is different. It is 1.79 GB. Maybe they have some added some more software, and this is the standard or the full KDE desktop ISO. So here the size is 2.75. Then this is the XFC edition. So it is sized around 2.64 GB. It is quite heavy for a XFC desktop. Otherwise, in most Linux distros, the XFC desktop is not more than 2.2 GB, or most probably it is 1.8, 1.22 or 2 GB in size. Then there is Mate desktop here. Its size is 2.73 GB. And there is another PCLinux. Yes, it is a 64-bit Darkstar edition. So that is sized around 1.8 GB. Then there is PCLinuxOS TD Mini, that is sized around 1.8 GB. So there are different versions. Some are released in month of May, and some are released later in the month of June and July. So you can take your pick. You can download it and install it on your system. And this is the donation page. So do donate. And this is the wiki page. So you can go here and check out the PCLinuxOS wiki. This is the magazine link. So this is the PCLinuxOS knowledge base. So you can improve your knowledge of PCLinuxOS as well as Linux. This is a great place to get knowledge. There is a hardware database. Different hardware requirements are given. The 10 commandments for the Linux users, flavors of PCLinuxOS, everything is there. So go through it. How to create a live CD, how to backup just right PCLinuxOS, cron jobs, disk space checking, disk usage checking, everything is synaptic, and the repositories, installing software, kernel updates, how to manage the root passwords, how to customize the PCLinuxOS, everything is given. You have to just open the links and read. So with this, I think we have covered everything what we need to cover. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the installation of PCLinuxOS. And then in the second video from this video, we will check out the actual desktop. Most probably it will be a KDE desktop. So see you in the next video. Bye.